Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this 2019 Mazda CX-5 GS. This one-owner, accident-free, all-wheel drive SUV is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission, capable of only 8 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, as well as a powered liftgate. Now moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows. You have your lane departure warning and liftgate release on the dash, hands-free audio and display controls, as well as adaptive cruise control all on the steering wheel. This vehicle is currently sitting at 54,797 kilometers. You have your infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go, heated front seats and heated steering wheel, your climate controls, storage, as well as your gear select and infotainment options. This vehicle also has a premium cloth and leather interior, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have pockets in the back of both front seats. You also have a flip down armrest, cup holders, and additional storage. And these are 60/40 split folding rear seats. If you would like to see this 2019 Mazda CX-5 GS in person or take for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.